In today's video, I will show you how to enhance photo quality in Photoshop. First, go to the Image option and select Image Size. If you notice noise in the picture, choose the Pixel option and set the resolution to 400 pixels per inch. Adjust the width to your preference, such as 50 or 59. In the Resample section, select Preserve Details Enlargement and reduce noise to 100%. Click OK. Next, navigate to the Layer option and copy the layer. Select the copy layer, go to the Filter option, and choose Sharpen, followed by Unsharp Mask. Set the amount to 80 or to your preference. Use a radius of 10.0 or to your preference, and set the threshold to 16 or to your preference. Click OK. Then, go to the Filter option again, choose Other, and then High Pass. Set the radius to 0.5 or to your preference, and click OK. Now, go to the Layer option, click on Blending Options, and select Soft Light. There you have it. This is how you enhance photo quality in Photoshop. Thank you for watching.